What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and then a review video all in one of this new laptop stand. It's called a Boyata adjustable laptop stand, and the story behind this is that a company just reached out to me. They sell these laptop stands on Amazon.com. I'll have the link at the top of the video description, but it's very simple. For me, I like really simple laptop stands when I'm doing my gigs. Really easy to set up, really easy to tear down. I need them to be in a small form factor or a flat form factor when they finally do collapse. And I also don't like any plastic parts in any of my moving mechanics for my laptop stand, and I really don't need too many adjustments as well. I like it to be kind of set it and forget it style of laptop stand, and that actually ticks all of the boxes here with the Boyata adjustable laptop stand. These come in at $29.99, so hopefully it's as good as it seems. We'll do the quick unboxing, then in a couple days I'll actually come back to the same video and let you guys know how it worked out. So first of all, we get the stand here in the box. Take it out of the box, very simple. Thank you for purchasing card here. Here we go. It's all metal, built really rugged, really tough. And it has nice resistance to it. Like all of these joints are very, very tight. So like your heavy laptop is not just gonna fall off of this here. And you can angle it in different ways. You can kind of adjust the height. And you can adjust the different angles and tilts that you want it to be at. And it has these rubber kind of slats on it, so that way nothing's gonna slip off from it. We'll use this with our new XP2 DDJ, and we'll also use this with the laptop and see exactly how it holds up. Feels very sturdy once in place and solid, so hopefully it's going to work well for our gigs and for when we're using it during this test. So let's go put this bad boy down, see what we got, and I'll let you guys know how it all turned out. Alright, so I've been using this adjustable stand by Boyata for the last few days now. I've used it for reviews, I used it for finger drumming with controllers, I used it with my DVS setup, I used it with another DJ controller setup, and my laptop was firmly held in place. It's nice, it's all metal construction again, it's very tight. So any adjustments that you guys make with it, it's going to stay put exactly where you have it. It's a nice Z-style shape. You can tilt and angle it in any way you guys need. And it folds up pretty damn flat at the end of the day. It's all metal. Again, that's one of my favorite things about this laptop stand. My daily driver laptop stand used to be the Magma stand. And I like this because there's no tighten down points. You just kind of set it up and it just rests on its own weight. It's very sturdy, it's solid, and it's pretty low. It doesn't have any of the crazy extra adjustments. It just opens up right to the height that I want it, and it also folds down flat. But the one thing I didn't kind of like about this was that it had two separate feet at the bottom, and sometimes that was hard to fish it underneath my gear or put it underneath my mixers. And now I don't have that issue with the Boyata adjustable stand. It actually has rubber on the bottom, so that way it doesn't slip and slide. It has rubber on the top, so that way anything that you place on the top tray also doesn't slip and slide. It also has cutouts in the top tray, so that way you get some cooling and ventilation for your hot pieces of DJ gear or laptop. And again, it's very, very solid, very tight. I don't have to make many adjustments. There's no plastic pieces here that can end up getting broken over time. It's going to fit perfectly in my DJ bag, nice and flat and compact, and it can still hold those huge laptops that I still have when I gig. I like to have as much information as possible on the screen, and with no issues whatsoever. I can have it at any angle. I can have it very low, so that way it's very close to my DVS setup that I take out when I do my gigs, or I can have it even higher if I want to with the adjustment. You have all different type of angle adjustments here, and it's very, very, very solid all the way around. No complaints at all. The flat baseboard is easy to slide underneath your turntables or underneath your mixers or controllers as well. So that way you have a small footprint here, and you can get it just right to that perfect height without having to fuss around with any tightening or loosening of your different bolts for adjustments. It's just very, very tight as it is. I also use this with the DDJ XP2 that we just recently reviewed, and again, it fits on there very nicely. It's not going anywhere. It's solid, so you can really finger drum on this without having too much vibration or having too much issues with where it is. It's not going to sink or fall down on you. It's very, very sturdy, very solid. Again, it's perfect for those people who want to have a laptop stand that is really close to their DJ equipment. I love having very little space between my DJ equipment and my laptop stand. I don't like having my equipment so high up like some other DJ laptop stands out there, but this is my new go-to stand. It's the Boyata stand. We'll have the link in the top of the video description for it. It's only $29.95. I guess the only minor gripe that you can have with it is that it's a little hard to adjust once you have it set, but that's what you want because you want it to be nice and sturdy and you want it to be nice and solid. But $30, all metal, great adjustments, very tight, very solid. You can't really go wrong with a stand like this if you guys are looking for something for your DJ equipment or just for a regular laptop stand for your desk, even if you're not into the DJ game. So for more on this quick review, you guys can head on over to www.djbooth.net/DJS. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you like review videos like this one. Make sure you guys subscribe so that way you know exactly when our newest videos are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.